The secret to reducing pain and swelling, even if you're at risk for chronic disease, is already in your kitchen. Believe me, it's not what you think.
I got a big surprise for you, buddy.
I got a big surprise for you, buddy.
You got a surprise for me?
I have a surprise for you.
What's your surprise?
I'm not telling you. You tell me yours.
Nah, you tell me yours first.
Hello, I'm Dr. Krystosik, and today I want to share with you how research scientists have found that there are foods sitting in your kitchen cabinets right now that reduce pain and inflammation as good and sometimes even better than medications, naturally, safely, and quickly, without all the side effects of the medication.
Side effects, a coma.
A coma?
Side effects, death.
Like die?
You gon' die.
Oh.
Side effects, temporary retardation.
This drug is dangerous.
Pregnancy.
I'm a man.
So what?
But here's the most important consideration. You need to use these foods the right way and at the right time. Well, let's start with turmeric. Now, it's been used for over 4,000 years in China and in India, and they use it as medicine. And now scientists today discovered a plant compound in turmeric called curcumin. It's a strong anti-inflammatory compound that works like medicine. But most people don't unleash the power of turmeric because they're not taking it with black pepper. Now, why is that important? Well, you see, black pepper has another plant compound in it called piperine. And piperine increases the benefits of turmeric by, listen to this, a whopping 2,000%. Now, when you add ginger to it, it even gets better. You see, ginger is the best known for soothing nausea and digestive problems, but ginger has a plant compound in it called gingerols, which is another powerful anti-inflammatory remedy. Now, you may be a skeptic, but here's the proof. In a clinical study published in the Journal of Clinical Immunology, the researchers found that people who took a combination of curcumin and piperine got a 49% reduction in C-reactive protein. Now, that's a blood marker, a routine blood test that doctors use that is one of the most important markers for inflammation. But it's not magic now. It took 8 weeks to get that kind of results. Now, in another study in phytotherapy research, they showed that people with arthritis pain, the people who took it, the ginger reduced inflammation markers in the blood by 28%. And when you combine all three of these, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, well, the anti-inflammatory benefits even get greater. You see, the three work together in harmony and make each one work better as an anti-inflammatory agent. Now, you might be saying, why does all this matter? Okay, let me explain. See, inflammation is the root cause of almost every major disease known to man, known to science. See, heart disease, diabetes, autoimmune conditions, and even Alzheimer's. So instead of waiting for a diagnosis, why not take a proactive role and slow down and even stop inflammation with food as your medicine? And you can start right in your kitchen. And here's how to use it. Just mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper into a warm tea, or sprinkle it over some roasted vegetables. You could also blend it into a smoothie or stir it into some soups and some stews. You can even take it in a capsule form if you don't like those flavors. Now, my friends, I promise you, I show you how to reduce inflammation while you sleep. It's real simple, and it's also delicious. It's a nighttime bowl of oatmeal. Now, I'm not talking about the sugary quick oat packets that most people eat. I'm talking about the old-fashioned whole grain oats, the kind that sticks to your ribs and stabilizes your blood sugar. See, oatmeal is a rich source of a soluble fiber that has a plant compound in it called beta-glucan. Now, a study in the Journal of Nutrition in 2020, well, they found just 1 teaspoon of the spice blend, ginger and turmeric and cinnamon, oregano, and rosemary. When you mix those spices together, it lowered inflammation markers for up to 8 hours. The researchers saw a major drop in inflammatory blood markers called cytokines within just 2 hours after eating the oatmeal. Now, the benefits lasted up to 8 hours. So over time, this nighttime routine, or any time for that matter, can help to lower bad cholesterol, stabilize your blood sugar, reduce joint pain, feed your good gut bacteria, improve digestion, and also support a healthy weight. Wow, all in one easy meal. So now you can lower inflammation while you sleep. And here's something to really understand. Inflammation has been linked to autoimmune conditions, chronic inflammatory diseases, and much more. So now you can create an anti-inflammatory oatmeal designed to get the powerful effects while you're sleeping. But sadly, the average American wakes up and they eat junk food from morning till night. Now, let me give you a powerful visual from the documentary Super Size Me. You could watch that on YouTube, by the way. Now, within just a few days after eating nothing but fast food, a healthy young man named Morgan Spurlock, he experienced dramatic mood swings and a lot of inflammation in his body he didn't have before doing this junk food expedition. His liver enzymes skyrocketed and his energies dropped into the toilet. All these things came about by eating nothing but carbs from hell, nothing but junk food. You see, he fed his body with toxic, inflammatory causing foods. Now, imagine flipping that situation completely around by eating the oatmeal that I talked about and the anti-inflammatory spices and other whole food carbohydrates to nourish your body, reverse inflammation instead of feeding the fire of chronic inflammation. So you don't need a prescription to reduce inflammation, to reduce pain. You need a really good plan and a doctor to teach you how to use the food as medicine. So come along with me and other people just like you to join our Gut 911 prescription community, and so you can learn how to say goodbye to illness and hello to wellness. And if you found this video helpful, subscribe to my channel, tell other people about it, like this video, and leave a comment below so that I can find out what's on your mind and answer your questions so that you can be able to live independently healthy. So until next time, I hope that you have a great day. Here's to your health.